Hello, paano mo nakuha yung role na Maxi? Handpicked ka ba or did you audition for the role?
I auditioned for the role. I actually, coming in here, nag-audition lang ako para maging part ng cast. Pero nung callback, nakuha ako as Maxi.
So anong pakiramdam mo nakuha mo?
Everything. I got the text and mag-isa lang ako actually doon. I got the text kasi pauwi ako nung Naga. After the audition, may ticket na ako pauwing Naga kasi I have school. So sabi ko, oh my God, dream come true and I can't wait. I can't wait and ayun, sobrang saya at sobrang saya. Pero nung nakuha ko yung text, yung announcement, secret pa dapat yun. So, mga 2 weeks akong, mga 2 weeks ko yung kinimkim, yung saya na yun. And to share this with everyone, with you guys, sobrang saya niya and I hope na makapanood kayo.
How do you relate yourself to the journey of Maxi Oliveros?
Both of us are determined, aspiring artists na naghahanap talaga ng community. And ayun, paunti-unting nahanap ni Maxi ang sarili niya dahil sa community na kinabilangan niya. And that's what I have been feeling when I got introduced with my co-actors, and yung pinakauna ko talaga were my drag sisters sa Naga.
Sino yung drag queen na nilolook up to mo?
Maxi. Yes. She is the reason why I pursued drag because before I pursued drag, kumakanta talaga ako performing. And when I watched Maxi's performance sa Queen of the Universe, what a feeling! Sabi ko, oh my God, that's what I wanna do. And ayun, I was supported by my drag sisters and ayun, yun na ako.
May sinasabi tayo Pride Month and Father's Day. I would like to ask you bilang anak, ano yung pinaka-memorable moment mo sa father mo? And how did you to come out na part ka ng LGBT at paano kanya natanggap?
Ang pinaka-memorable moment ko with him is, I think nung bata pa ako na nag-video okay, listening to music at home, kasi dun talaga ako lumaki. And ayun, ever since I was a kid, kilala na ako ng pamilya ko na I want to be a performer, I want to be an artist, a singer. So ayun, getting to share this talent, this gift with them, silang pinakauna ko na share nito, yun yung pinaka-fulfilling, yung pinaka-favorite moment ko.
Last question. At anong pinaglalaban mo bilang part ng LGBT?
Ang pinaglalaban ko bilang part ng LGBT is sana mas marami pang queer kids na masuportahan ng kanilang pamilya. Kasi yun lang, dun magsisimula. Dun magsisimula ang lahat. Kasi para mas maganda yung bunga, kailangan i-nourish and supportahan lang talaga. Yes. Sana yun yung may patig ko message sa pag-portray ng dalaga na si Maxi.
Yun lang po. Thank you po.